BMW N55 is a renowned 3.0-litre turbocharged inline-six engine developed as an evolution of the popular but problematic N54. Introduced in 2009, the N55 found its way into various BMW models such as the 1 Series, 3 Series, 5 Series, and even performance-oriented vehicles like the M2. With advancements in efficiency, reliability and responsiveness, the N55 represents BMW's commitment to refining turbocharged technology. But how reliable is it in real-world conditions? And what common issues should enthusiasts and owners be aware of? This guide explores the specifications, common problems, maintenance tips, and overall reliability of the BMW N55 engine. The N55 features a single twin-scroll turbocharger replacing the twin-turbo setup of its predecessor, the N54. This design improves throttle response, reduces turbo lag, and simplifies the engine bay. Its direct injection system enhances fuel efficiency and reduces emissions. Significant advancements include BMW's third-generation Valvetronic system, providing precise valve lift control without needing a traditional throttle body, and the Vanos variable valve timing, optimizing engine performance across RPM ranges. The N55 uses conventional solenoid injectors, making them more reliable and cost-effective compared to the piezo injectors in the N54. Additionally, the engine boasts an aluminum block and cylinder head, forged crankshaft, forged connecting rods, and a plastic intake manifold. BMW designed the N55 for robust and smooth power delivery. It produces between 300 and 445 horsepower depending on the application, providing impressive torque of around 400 Newton meters across a wide range from 1400 to 5000 RPM. The integration of the single twin-scroll turbocharger and advanced valve control systems like Valvetronic and Vanos significantly improves throttle response, fuel efficiency, and overall engine performance. Its smooth, linear power delivery makes the N55 exceptionally suited for spirited driving as well as everyday practicality. Despite improvements, the N55 engine experiences several common issues. Oil leaks. Typical locations include the valve cover gasket, oil pan gasket, and oil filter housing gasket. Leaks can lead to performance degradation and potential engine damage if neglected. High-pressure fuel pump failures. Early N55 models utilized an HPFP prone to premature failure, often requiring expensive replacements. Valvetronic system wear. Oil squirters for the Valvetronic system can become clogged, accelerating wear, and impacting valve control accuracy. Cooling system failures. Electric water pump failures are common around 60,000 miles, potentially causing overheating if not addressed proactively. Charge pipe and coolant flange. Plastic components, including the charge pipe and coolant flanges, can crack due to heat cycling, requiring upgraded replacements. Carbon buildup. Direct injection engines, including the N55, are prone to carbon deposits on intake valves, requiring periodic walnut blasting to maintain peak performance. Regular maintenance is critical to ensure the longevity and reliability of the N55 engine. Oil and filter changes every 5,000 miles using BMW-approved synthetic oil. Replace spark plugs every 30,000 miles and ignition coils as needed. Cooling system. Proactively replace electric water pumps and thermostats around 60,000 miles. Drive belt and tensioner system. Inspect regularly, replacing belts and pulleys every 60,000 miles. Perform walnut blasting every 60,000 miles to remove carbon buildup from intake valves. Gasket replacements. Proactively replace valve cover, oil pan, and oil filter housing gaskets when leaks begin to appear. The BMW N55 engine offers significant reliability improvements over its predecessor, the N54. Most of its common issues, while notable, can be managed effectively with timely and proper maintenance. By following BMW's maintenance schedule and promptly addressing problems as they arise, owners can expect the N55 engine to deliver robust performance reliably for over 300,000 miles.